Okay, I'm working on trying to replace an inlet to sump, which is down in there. I don't know if you can see it. Hose, I'll show you later if I can get this figured out. Appliance Parts Pros have an excellent video. Unfortunately, it's on a different unit. It doesn't have this black stuff in here, it doesn't seem to have this black clip here. So, it's going to be a little bit of an adventure. They told me to, and God, it looks so simple, just pop this up here, remove this up, this swings out, and then you can get at the hose. And it is not that simple on this one. Okay, well, Appliance Parts Pros came through. Sorry for the bad light. Let me see if I can fix this light here a little bit. Oh, dang it, that's annoying, isn't it? Hold on. Alright. Jeez. Okay, so punchline. They were absolutely right about just sticking a small flathead screwdriver into that black opening, popping it up. This entire diaphragm raised right out. It unclipped down there, that's all good. I need to figure out how to get this out, and if you remember just a moment ago I said that there was a black thing in there that seemed to be restricting it, which was this guy, which is, looks like it was in here just to hold these two things kind of level with each other. And now it looks like this can come up and out if I just wiggle it. I started wiggling it and it was starting to come out of there. Once this comes up, then I'm going to be able to move this out. Oh my God, that was hard. So a couple tips for people who are doing this. Tip number one. So this is obviously the, well, maybe not obviously. That is the inlet hose. And it snakes back. And it comes up underneath. Here. I guess I'd say inlet to sump. So that's a little compressed space in there, and there's a holding clip. So if you put this hose in the holding clip and then try to push it in here, that's very hard. Does not work. Instead, you want to put the hose in at an angle, not in the clip, and push it in. Some people might say, duh. That makes sense, but it was really hard. It was hard with it in, and even when I tried it at an angle, it was not easy. And I decided I needed some help, so I did grease it a little bit. And it made all the difference. So a little bit of plumber's grease, just real thin on the edge of that, all around, and it went right in. Appliance Parts Pros, God save them, or whoever your spiritual leader is, or yourself, or whatever. Good folks, but they did not give that little tip. And I'm sharing it with you.